All right, it's time for Wee Blessings. It comes in a bag now instead of a box. If you don't know what Wee Blessings is, it's kind of like Stitch Fix or what. It's a styling service, and you get 5 to 7 pieces of clothing, and you do the same thing where you fill out a profile, your sizes and colors and likes and dislikes and all that jazz. And then I think it's $8 or $9. I think it went up to $9 now. $9 to ship it to you, and then you can ship it back for free, but there's no styling fee. So that $9 is kind of like a styling fee. But one thing I like about it is each piece is 40 to 60% off. So you can buy one piece and still save 40 to 60%. You don't have to buy all of them. So I have a little thing here with, and if you're interested, I will link a thing below, and I don't think you get anything, but I get $50. So if you decide to give it a try, use my link. It helps me a bunch. And then here's the return envelope. Let's see, I have 6 things, 5 tops, and a pair of capris. And let's see, most expensive things, the capris, original price $79.50, my cost $28. So that's like 60% at least, maybe 70% off. And then the cheapest thing is original price $32, my cost $19. So they're in the 20s, most of them. In fact, all of them, except one's 19 and everything else is in the 20s somewhere. And the prices, the original prices are 40s and 50s, and then that one that's $79.50. Okay, this is hard to get out of this. It's kind of like if you ever get Temu, they pack it in these things, and then you're afraid to get down. You're afraid to cut it because you're afraid you might cut something. This is kind of how this is. I don't want to cut the clothes at all, but I don't, the bag is tight. Oh, there we go. Okay. See, it says, your blessing has arrived. It's got my name on it. And then here's the little peek. It comes in purple tissue paper. And Nosey's on my knee with his head in the bag. Get down. You've got sharp claws, and I got shorts on. One thing I like about this is they put them in the bag, get down, the same way they are on the sheet. So you don't have to hunt around for, it's just clothes. Get your nose out of there. Okay, some of these I'm not sure they're gonna fit because like this is a woman's large, and then one of them's a woman's medium. I don't wear a medium or large, I wear an extra large, although this looks kind of big. I don't think this color looks too good on me. I don't look good in yellows and oranges. Get down. It's got like little, it's cottony feeling. I don't know if it is cotton. We'll see. Let's see if I can read this. Yep, 100% cotton. It's got buttons all the way down and little tie things on the sleeves. Very vacation-y. Oops, put you over. Very vacation-y. This one is Unique Spectrum Caribbean Tangerine Shirt, women's large. Retail price $32, my price $19. Okay, this one is Perfectly Peach Tie-Dye Oversized Short Sleeve Shirt, women's medium, but it's oversized, so maybe it'll fit. Original price, or retail price, $46.99. My cost $24. Ooh, this is super soft. It's cute. Tie-dye is kind of out now, but I don't care. I like it. It's got like white sleeves and a white pocket, and then the white around the neck, and then the rest is turquoise and purple tie-dye, and I love those colors, and I think they look good on me. I look better in a true white too, instead of a like an off-white. I like the color on this one too. This one is EGY, EG, black vintage boho paisley short sleeve shirt, woman's extra large. Retail price $49.99. My cost $27. It's black or navy. I'm not sure. I think that's navy. Yeah, it looks black when I get it close up, but I get it farther away, it looks navy. And then turquoise and blue and teal and stuff. I like this one too. I don't know, it looks like it's the kind of material that might be a little clingy though. $27, I said that. Okay, next one is Disney. Disney Blue Stitch Ohana family, short sleeve shirt, women's large. Retail price $38, my cost $22. Why is it Disney? Oh, it is Disney. It's got, isn't that Stitch from Lilo and Stitch? This one doesn't look like it'll fit though. It is Stitch. It says Stitch on the neck. But it looks like it might be too small. And I'm not much of a, my granddaughter would probably wear this, but I don't know that I would. Here's another blue one. They're really into blue today. Adrian blue floral print cuff short sleeve shirt, women's extra large. Retail price $51, my cost $25. It doesn't have buttons, it's just a pullover. Soft. It's kind of feels like crepe. You know what crepe feels like? Let's see what it's made out of. Hey Nosy, how you doing? They sent me red pants, which does not go with any of these tops they sent me. So I'm not sure why they sent me red pants. But I asked for some capris or shorts or something. Oh, there it is. Found it finally. 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So they sent me quite a few blue things, which I like blue things. This feels a little dressier, even though the shape is a t-shirt shape, the material and stuff makes it seem a little more dressy. And last but not least, some capris. They're full-ons, stretchy waist, tie, kind of like joggers. I said I wanted some joggers that were not sweatshirt material, so I got pockets in the front. Are these real pockets? They have a button, so let's see if it unbuttons if there's a real pocket underneath that button. Yep, there is. I'm not sure if my phone will fit in it, but so these are kind of, they call them cargo pants because there's a pocket down here, pockets in the back. So there's plenty of places to put your phone, which is my big issue. They're extra large, so we'll see if they fit. These are Tommy Hilfiger red cargo pocket capris, size 18, 16. Here it says extra large, so I don't know. We'll see. Retail price $79.50. My cost $28. So let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all in the $20 range. So let's say that'd be $120 maybe with the, and then the pants are another 28. So it's probably around 150 if I got everything. But the value is 200. about $300. So about 50% off of everything, which is a lot better than you get at most of the other places. Alrighty, let's try some of this stuff on. I don't know, I have such a hard time with my stupid tripod, so we'll see how this goes. Right now I've got you propped up against my iPad. But I don't think that'll work for try-ons because I can't bend you around. So we'll see if we can make this work. Anyway, I'm going to try these on for you. What do you think so far? I kind of like all of them except the Stitch one. Didn't really care for that one, but the rest of them I liked. I need to buy at least one thing because I haven't bought anything in 3 times, and after 3 times, if you don't buy anything, they kind of put you on hold till they can talk to you and see, okay, what can we do different? Can you do a Pinterest board for us? Can you talk to one of our stylists? What can we do to help? Because we're obviously not getting you, which I thought was cool. So I talked to a stylist and I did a Pinterest board. And unless none of them fit, I'll probably get at least 1 or 2 of these because I like a lot of them. All right, I'll be back. Well, I got my tripod to mostly work. It slanted a little bit, but at least it's not flopping forward and back. All it took was a little, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Needed some righty-tighty. All right, we have this one. Where's where the sheet is? What's the prices? Let me find that. This one was blue floral print, $25. I didn't like it because the sleeves were kind of tight, I got fat arms, so other than that, it fit okay. I put this, I don't know if you can see, I have a tank top on now. Anyway, I put this tank top on to try this on because I knew it wasn't going to fit over my head, but I thought I'd try it on as like an overshirt, but I couldn't even get it on at all. I couldn't get my arms in it. So this is definitely too small, and there's no give to it because it's cotton. So this was a definite no. The color didn't look that good on me anyway. I've got like a yellow undertone to my skin, so yellow, not so much tangerine they're calling it. That was the cheapest one, $19, but it just didn't fit right. This one was my favorite. It was a little clingy, but I think it's so cute and the colors look good on me. So if I only get one, it'll be this one. Look at the tie-dye. Isn't that pretty? It's like water or something. The tie-dye pattern's just really pretty. Like here, it looks like a flower or something in the back. Anyway, I really like this one. This one is $24. So that one's a keeper. This one, it actually fit better than I thought it would. But it's just not me. I'm not much of a plain old t-shirt girl and not much of a advertising for somebody else kind of girl. So this one was $22, which for a Disney t-shirt isn't bad because Disney stuff could be pricey. So those 3 are definite no's. Now this one's a maybe. This is the black. I guess this is black. I was thinking they're saying this is paisley. Doesn't look paisley to me. Anyway, they're saying this is a black vintage paisley shirt, $27. I don't know. And then the other thing is, I think I might get the pants because they look comfy. They're pull-on and they have lots of pockets. And even though they're capris, I can wear them a lot of the year. It's got like a little turn down thing where you can, like on sleeves sometimes where you can button it up or button it down. You can make it be longer or cuff it up and make it be shorter. So, you know, here in Texas, you can wear capris a lot of the year. So those are $28. Tommy Hilfiger. They're normally $79.50, so $28 is a big markdown on those. So I'm leaning towards, and y'all tell me what you think. Not that they go together, but this one for $24 and this one for $28. So that would be, let's see, $52? No, $62. Yeah. No, $52. Yeah, $52. So that's not bad for a pair of pants and a shirt. So let me know what you think. One thing I like about, well, I like Lee Blessings because, you know, they give you good prices and stuff. But I think it says, love everything, want to keep more. We now offer payment plans. That's interesting. I think you get 5 days. So I'll put this up today, which is Tuesday, and wait and see what y'all think for a couple days before I send it back. Probably send it back on Friday because our post office isn't open on Saturdays. Why is this slanting you over? I'm tilting. So anyway, these are the two I'm thinking of, this one and the red one. What do y'all think? I mean, my stomach's all bloaty, more than normal, because I ate some dairy for like 3 days in a row, and it makes me really bloaty. So it made the clothes cling even worse than normal, because I have a dairy bloat stomach because I'm lactose intolerant. But I bought a box of, they have these, at Walmart they have these, they're vanilla ice cream on a stick covered with chocolate, you know, those things, and they're only like 100 calories each, and they come 12 to a box for like less than $3. So, why won't you behave? I have the hardest time with tripods. Oh well, I'm almost done. So I ate all 12 of them in like 4 days. So 4 days of 3 of those a day. It's too much dairy for my little tummy, and it's going, you know, so that's partly why everything clungs to my belly so much. I put this tank top on because it's one of those kind that suck you in, but even that couldn't do the job of sucking me in. Alrighty, that's it. If you're interested in trying Wee Blessings, I almost, the last 3 times when I couldn't find anything I liked was a fluke. I almost always find at least 2 or 3 things I like every time, and their prices are just awesome. So I'll put my code below. If you want to give it a try, please use my code and I'll get a $50 credit, and then I'll be able to do some more unboxings for you, unbaggings as the case may be. If you haven't yet, go back and check out, I got a 750 subscriber giveaway going. Put it up a couple days ago. So thank you all for being my loyal, lovely subscribers. Love you all. And let me know what you think.